ParkPlus AGV automated parking systems enable higher density and smarter parking design. From the moment a vehicle is deposited, the experience is intuitive and seamless. Drivers interact with a simple interface, while the system takes over entirely behind the scenes. Vehicles are handled fully autonomously, moving vertically and horizontally without ramps or driver circulation. By eliminating the inefficiencies of conventional parking, AGV systems deliver more parking within the same footprint. Robotic devices coordinate vehicle storage and movement with precision, managing multiple vehicles simultaneously and adapting dynamically to real-world conditions. Engineered and deployed by ParkPlus, AGV systems are built for high-density, space-constrained projects where performance, reliability, and user experience matter. The result is higher yield, a better parking experience, and future-ready parking infrastructure.